Now, you've probably come across ghost notes in some form or fashion in the music and the beats you listen to. Something like this. Or something like this. What if I told you that you could play ghost notes in praises and it will not only sound delicious, but it will be easier to play? Wait. What? You're joking? No, sir. No, I'm not. Whoa, for real? Yeah, for real. Rah. Indeed. Hello players, welcome back. This is your boy Jaystiqs coming at you with another video. So we've broken down a whole bunch of praises stuff on this channel. I mean, there's this and this and this, but for some reason you guys want more of the praises stuff, so we're gonna keep doing the praises stuff. First, let's talk about what ghost notes can do for you. Then we apply it to the praises that you know so that you understand it a little bit better. So imagine you have two notes. You can fill the space between the two notes without actually changing how the beat sounds by introducing smaller notes in between the two bigger notes to get something like this. But how does this relate in the real world? Let's say you have a groove like this. If you add ghost notes to that groove, you would have something like this. Sounds tasty. You get me? It's like the original groove is there, but it's surrounded by all kinds of flatteriness, making it sound like ice on a cold day. I don't know what that is. I don't know the meaning of that, but it sounded like a good thing, so I said it. Moving on. With a typical praises groove, you would play the kick, then the hi-hat, then the snare. So to add ghost note, you change the pattern between the hi-hat and the snare. The kick stays the same, but in order to do that, you would need to play the hi-hat leading the snare. Let me explain. The hi-hat plays a note, then the snare plays a note, a ghosted note. Right. So you would play this. The hand you would use for the hi-hat, you should do a wavy motion for that hand. It not only keeps you less tired, but it adds dynamics to your thing. So speed it up a little bit. Between the 3 and the 4, you play an accent. It's starting to sound like praises without the kick. So all we need to do right now is add the kick. Finally, the last thing you need to do is smash the like button. The ghosted praises groove with music.
Boom, bam, bop, bada bop, boom, pow.
If you enjoyed this, if you like how I teach, hit the subscribe and hit the bell to be notified each and every time there is a new video. For music to practice along with, check out my website jaystiqs.com and you get a whole bunch of tracks that you can download and play your drums and practice along with. Also, check out the Drum Chops Builder app. It's an app I created that will help you save your drum ideas on your phone wherever you are, so you can come back home and practice, play back, practice, and get the feel of what was in your mind when you're walking down the street. Speaking of ideas, this video right here will show you 3 drum fill ideas that you can apply to your praises grooves to make them sound just right. I mean, just right. Click here to find out.